And that's another way to make money on Threads. Got to figure it out on exactly how you want to do it, whether you want to offer it as a freelancer or you want to offer it as an agency. You want to go to different platforms like Fiverr.com, create a profile, and list your service, list the details of your service, and start selling your service to people. There's other websites as well. Upwork.com is a really good website. Um, you can also post and start promoting your service on the actual social media platform. Get you a logo, get you a website, create a TikTok, create an Instagram, start posting TikToks, and driving people. Oh, also create a call scheduler so that you can schedule calls and talk to your clients and close deals. So you want to use uh, different freelancer platforms like Fiverr.com and Upwork.com to get your freelance services out there. Once you do that and you start building up a portfolio of services that you have completed, you can you know collect social proof. Make sure you get the social proof. Social proof is so important.